Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well with your lessons. Today we will learn about modal verbs will, want, may and might as a way of expressing future predictions. Please open your books on page 63. Will and want. They are verbs that we use to predict the future. Will is the affirmative form, want is the negative form. Want is a contraction of will not. As you can see in the table below, there are three forms of the sentences: affirmative, negative, questions, and short answers. The order of the affirmative form goes subject, will, main verb, and then object or whatever we have. For example, robots will work for humans, or we will be able to do more things we enjoy. The negative form. The negative form has the same order, but we just have to add the negative not. For example, learning a second language won't be necessary. It will not be necessary. Questions. Whenever we make questions, we need to put the verb will first. For example, will humans be able to fly? Short answers. Short answers are quite simple. You just have to say yes or no. If you say yes, you will continue with will. If no, you will continue with want. For example, yes, they will, no, they won't. Remember that will and want don't take any kind of ending, like it happens in the present simple or present continuous. We don't need to put any kind of ending here. Another explanation here is that there are some adverbs that we often use whenever we are using the verbs will and want. Certainly, definitely, probably, perhaps, and maybe. These are the adverbs that we often use whenever we are using the verbs will and want. Now we're going to continue with the modal verbs may and might. As we said earlier that these verbs express prediction, we've got on the table shown here. So first, it expresses the possibilities, as we said, predictions. For example, I haven't decided yet where to go on holidays. I may go to Ireland. This means that perhaps I will go there. Or might, again, we can use to express possibility. Take an umbrella with you, it might rain later, which means that perhaps it will rain. There are other cases that we can use may and might to describe or to express other things. We can use may to express permission, asking for permission. For example, may I sit next to you? It sounds more polite if we say so. Or to express wish, may all your wishes come true. To express a request, may I have some water please? So these are other cases that we can use may. Might can be also used to make a suggestion. For example, we're going to a concert, you might like to come with us. Or it can be used in the conditional clauses. For example, if they train a little harder, they might win the match. Or if I had studied more, I might have passed the exam. Use your English. Let's focus on expressions that we use on our daily basis. We're going to learn about reminders, promises, and offers. How to make a reminder, how to promise, and how to give an offer. We've got the patterns shown here. we can start like, don't forget to pack your passport, or remember, we won't have much time in the morning, or make sure you set up your alarm. This is a way how we express reminders. Let's continue with promises. How do you promise to people? There are some examples here that we have shown to you. Don't worry, I will or I won't do that. It's okay, I'll remember. Whenever you say I will remember, it's a type of promise that you make. I promise I won't forget. So as you have seen, will is also used sometimes to make a promise. Offers. How to make an offer. I'll do it for you if you like. Shall I call you? Would you like me to call you? So there are other cases, there are other verbs that we can use to make offers, like shall and would. Responses. How to respond people. Of course, in a polite way. Yes, please. That would be great. Don't worry. There is no need. So the first two examples deal whenever we have something positive to reply, whereas the second examples, they deal with responses that are regarding negative actions. Like if it happens something that is negative, you say don't worry or there's no need. Homework. Complete page 48 and 49 on your workbook. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We will meet next time with the next class. Goodbye.